Okay, let us start exercise 8.2, which is on your page number 187. Question number 1. Evaluate the following on the basis of table. Keep your table in front of you from textbook or a notebook. Okay, and then you have to place the value from table, and after that simple maths will apply. So evaluate the following. Question 1. Evaluate. Number 1. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Okay, now see sin 60 from the table. See the value. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is half, cos 60 is half. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. LCM 4, 3 keep it as it is, 1 as it is because 4 is there in the denominator. So this is 4 upon 4, that is 1, 4 1s are. Answer is 1. Is it? Second number. 2 10 square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. This is the value. Tan 45 is 1 from the table. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 the whole square, and sin 60 is also root 3 upon 2 the whole square. 1 square 1, root 3 square 3 and 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3 and 2 square 4. 2 1s are 2 plus 3 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 4 same, cancel. So answer is 2. 3 number. Cos 45 sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So think about cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Cosec 30. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So think about sin 30. Sin 30 is half. So its reciprocal is 2 upon 1. 1 upon root 2, keep it as it is. Here you have to take LCM root 3, 1s are root 3. So 2 keep it as it is, multiplied root 3 here, 2 root 3. Okay. Denominator of denominator, that is numerator, and root 2 moves down. Root 3 1s are root 3 upon root 2, this root 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Open the bracket. Root 3. You can take 2 common without opening the bracket. I can take 2 common from this bracket. I write it 2. This root 2 keep it as it is. 1 plus root 3. Okay, now see. In the denominator there is irrational number which is known as surds. S-U-R-D-S. Surds. Okay. The word is new for you, but it is for you it is irrational number. Okay. And the rule is what? Maths rule is what? You have not to keep this irrational number in the denominator. So to remove this, we should multiply it by its rationalizing factor. You have learned it in 9th standard. So I have multiplied by its rationalizing factor. 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Keep it as it is. This is the same one. Now to remove root of root 2, we should multiply it by root 2. Upar niche. And we should multiply 1 plus root 3 means just like a plus b. So you have to multiply it by a minus b. That is 1 minus root 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now see, root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. Into bracket 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. A plus b into a minus b is square minus b square. So in this way we can remove square root or irrational number from the denominator. 2 2s are 4, 1 square 1, root 3 square 3. Root 6, 1 minus root 3 upon 4 into minus 2. It will be what? Root 6, 1 minus root 3 upon plus minus minus 4 2s are 8. Now don't keep minus sign in the denominator. So you have to move on the numerator. So this is what? Minus root 6, 1 minus root 3 upon 8. Now I move this minus sign inside the bracket. So it will be root 6, minus root 3 will be plus root 3, plus 1 will be minus 1 upon 8. This is your answer. Okay? So maths, basic maths should be powerful. Trigo is easy, remember. But if you don't know the basic thing, this thing, simplification, then it will be hard for you. Now number 4, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Place the value and try to simplify. See, sin 30 from the table, 1 upon 2, tan 45 is 1, minus cosec 60, think about sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3. Divided by sec 30. Sec 30 is also 2 upon root 3. Cos 60 is half and cot 45 is 1. Remember, never cancel half, 1, this. This is not your maths. Okay? Because plus or minus sign is there. So you are not to cancel it. If there is multiplication or division, then and then you can cancel the term. Remember this thing. So main division always write long. And always write this main division in front of equal to sign. This is the basic condition of maths. Now take LCM. LCM line is very shorter than this main division. LCM is 2 root 3. So multiplied here by root 3. Root 3 1 are root 3. Here denominator is not there. So you have to multiply by both 2 and root 3. 2 1 are 2 root 3. Here root 3 is already there. So multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. Similarly, in same way, take LCM 2 root 3. Multiplied 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Multiplied root 3 here. Root 3 1s are root 3. Multiplied by both. 2 1s are 2 root 3. Okay. Now see, both denominator are same. Denominator here and denominator here are same. So it is cancelled. And now 1 time root 3 plus 2 time root 3, that is 3 time root 3 minus 4. If you don't understand this, then think about that root 3 is x. Think that this is x. X plus 2x. 1x plus 2x will be 3x. And your x is root 3. So I write it 3 root 3. Same manner 2 time root 3 plus 1 time root 3. This is 3 time root 3 plus 4. And the maths condition or rule is what? You have not to keep irrational number into denominator, so you have to multiply by its rationalizing factor. See the denominator. Denominator is a form of a plus b. So multiplied by a minus b. 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4 multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a minus b way. Okay? A minus b into a minus b. This is a minus b the whole square upon a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Now think and please be alert. A minus b the whole square. The expansion is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Don't forget to write middle term. So here a square minus 2a into b plus b square upon 3 square 9 root 3 square 3 minus 4 square 16. See here, open the bracket. 3 square 9 root 3 square 3, 9 3s are 27 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 root 3, 4 square 16 upon 27 minus 16. So 27 plus 16 will be 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16, 11. This is your answer. This is your question number 4. So write it by rewinding it or take a screenshot. Now question number 5. Five cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Now see here, I show you easy trick. 5, first place the value. Cos 60 is half the whole square. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 the whole square. Tan 45 is 1 the whole square. And now below 1 I can write 1. Now the question, why? Given is what? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. I told you that if theta remains same, suppose this is theta 30, then this is also 30, so you can write theta, then it will be what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, and the identity is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you can write directly, but at that time you must have to show that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We use this identity directly. It is possible, once again I recall that it is possible only when theta is same. So please be alert while using this identity. Now find 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 4, 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 1 square 1, denominator 1, no need to write. Here 5 ones are 5 upon 4, 4 4s are 16 upon 3 minus 1. Take LCM, 4 3s are 12. So multiply this term by 3, 5 3s are 15, multiplied by 4, 16 4s are 64, minus 12 ones are 12. 15 plus 64, add it and then 12 subtract it. It will be 67 upon 12 is your answer. This is your question number 1. Okay, so write it.